In the model, we will need to extend this vertical wall here to go all the way to the horizontal wall that separates bedroom 2 and bedroom 1. You need to select the option that says Trim Extend Single Element. This is in the Modify section of your ribbon. We want to extend this wall to this wall here. So we will first select this wall. Then we will select the vertical wall that we want to extend. So what we need to do is trim away this part of the wall object that's extending into bedroom 2. We will select the Modify button in our ribbon to clear out any commands. You will then select the Modify tab. In the Modify section of the ribbon, we will select the option that says Trim Extend Single Element. We want to trim away this part of the wall. We want to use this part of the wall as the cutting edge. So we will first select the vertical wall. Then you will select the part of the horizontal wall in the hallway that you want to keep. So we will select anywhere to the left of the vertical wall here. Because you have the tub, the water closet or the toilet, and the sink mounted along this wall is typically what they call a wet wall. It is called a wet wall because the plumbing pipes that service the tub, the toilet, and the sink are coming into this wall. So we will need to create another wall object called a wet wall. The framing member used to create this wall will be a 2x6 stud. In the Type Properties dialog box, you will duplicate the interior 2x4 partition wall. So select Duplicate. You will rename it to say Interior 2x6 Wet Wall and select OK. You will then edit the structure of this wall. The only change that you will need to make to the wet wall will be, since you are using a 2x6 framing member or stud, you will change what may be set at 3.5 inches. You will change that to say 5.5. The actual size of a 2x6 stud is 5.5 inches wide. So change the thickness of the structural layer to 5.5 and click on OK. You will click on OK again in the Type Properties. This will take you back to your drawing, and you should see Basic Wall Interior 2x6 Wet Wall as your active wall type. Then you can select, to start this wall, you can select the exterior wall at the top of your building. You can select that wall and drag straight down to the wall that lays out your hallway and click again. To create the horizontal wall to lay out the linen closet, we will use a dimension of 2 feet 3.5 inches. The 2 feet 3.5 inches will reference the center of the wall in the hallway to locate the wall in the linen closet.